Hey, this is Ben from PowerWF. I just want to run through the script that we were demoing at MMS in case you missed it. This is PowerWF. In the middle is a canvas, and the left side is a toolbox. We can drag and drop from the toolbox, or we can use the embedded PowerShell interpreter. I'm going to start there. So put in a simple script, PS, sort CPU. This is a pipeline. PowerWF automatically turns that into a workflow for you. You can see the PS is a get process, and the sort CPU is right here as a sort. Drag down to the CPU. So let's say I'm a non-scripter guy. I want to modify this script, no big deal. Change the setting from false to true. This is a switch parameter, but it's represented as a property of the sort object here. And let's say I want to add the select first 5 to the pipeline. Just drag and drop the select object. Set the first property to 5. And I have modified a PowerShell script just by dragging and dropping from the toolbox onto the canvas. I'm going to play the script just to see what the output looks like. And wait for that to compile to happen. And play the script. This is functionally equivalent to running the script in PowerShell. It really is running PowerShell commands in a host, in a run space. So I like that, and now I want to send that data into SCOM. Doesn't matter what the script is, the toSCOM activity will model whatever data it sees coming in. All we need to do is tell the toSCOM activity what the primary key should be, so it gives us a list of all the properties that it sees. We'll just pick one, we'll pick ID, and I'm going to give it a name that I can easily find, PS99 test, and rerun this script. So again, this time what it's going to do is the script's going to run, and once it gets to the toSCOM activity, the program is going to model a WMI class based on whatever data it sees coming into it, and it'll then take the data from the script that ran and push that into WMI automatically for us. So right now the data is in WMI. So the last step is to then send that into System Center, which you can see running in the background. So we'll hit the System Center wizard button, and I'm going to hit next, next, next. Of course, you can change the scheduling or any other thing here in that wizard. What's happening now is the wizard is taking that data that's in WMI, and it is generating a management pack for you. It's creating a management pack. It's creating the class definition of that pack. It's creating the discovery rules. It's creating the view and any requisite language stuff that needs to be done in the management pack, and it's importing that management pack into System Center for you programmatically. So that's what's going on right now as that wizard is finishing up. So we'll just wait a second for that wizard to finish. Now it's finished. I'm going to flip over to the System Center view. Now take a look in this tree view and watch over here in the corner at the bottom. We're looking for a new folder to pop up when System Center realizes that there's a new view available. And it should be doing that right now. Very, very soon. There it is, the WMI folder. I'll pop that open and let's select the view that's there. Now we're loading up our new view, the view that's created by PowerWF Studio, and we're just now waiting for System Center to run the discovery rule, so it'll know that that data for that script is there. Within 15 or 20 seconds, we'll see that data pop up there, and there it is. And here's the data. So that same script we had in PowerWF, which is PS, sort by CPU descending, select first 5, and we just drag and drop the toSCOM. That same data is being generated every time that workflow gets run, which is being run in the agent right now every 5 minutes based on what we did in the wizard here. And that data is automatically being pushed into System Center. So of course, if you're writing a management pack, you'll want to go in and use the authoring tools at this point to set thresholds and performance data and a lot of other things, but there's a lot of heavy lifting we're doing for you. This is version 2.2, which will be out in a couple of weeks, so we'll knuckle that on or bear down here and get that out for you in the next 2 weeks easily. But we hope you like what we've done.